FireGo, your reliable partner for modern and innovative hot fire training systems. For many years, we have been developing and producing high-quality gas-powered and computer-controlled fire training systems to help fire brigades, companies, and civil and military organizations to respond quickly and effectively in an emergency. All our products are of the highest quality, made in Germany, and meet the latest international standards. This allows the flames to react realistically to the applied extinguishing agent. Artificial smoke can be produced in any area inside or outside the aircraft. Many realistic Airbus and Boeing technical details like aircraft doors, emergency slide, inside-outside light system. If you are looking for high-quality fire training equipment or good service, then FireGo is the right contact for you. Contact us to learn more about our products and services. The mobile aircraft FireTrainer was designed based on an A320B 737 aircraft. It consists of 10 20-foot containers and can be moved from airport to airport with 5 trucks. The entire system can be assembled and put into operation within a few hours. The system has 24 inside and outside fireplaces and a 120 square meter fuel spill with around 15 meter flame height. The gas supply and pressure booster system are located in the tank container. All fireplaces are computer controlled and equipped with extinguishing agent detection.